Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking apart a fridge and turning it into a cupboard by putting a lock on it. Yeah, show you the fridge. And this is the fridge here we'll be taking apart and putting a lock on it. We're only taking one part of it off, but it has got popcorn inside it anyway, and it's got some writing on it. But I'm not going to show you it. And here's the popcorn, but one fell out. Try and pull it back in. Yeah. Tip it upside down. Just going to take the bottom of this off, apart, and take this sticker off. Because obviously this isn't fridge anymore. Don't think it works properly. I don't think it works properly anymore. And I've been using it as a desk inside of my bed. Put alarm clock on it. And I need to get a new thing for the alarm clock to put alarm clocks on. This is what I'll be taking apart, this top of this. If I could go into it. Take all this rubber off. Oh, put the screws in there. Yeah, I think we can. Found it. I might have to put it back together if it's insecure. Now it's all loose. It's all loose now. Yep, it's all off now. Yeah. Get the screws off. How have we done this thing? Screws are off now. Now we need to take the power thing off it. And that's the fan inside it. Oh, just need to take that thing off. We need to get this off. Not plugged in now. So many screws on this. There's so many screws on here. Yeah, took the paper off, which is there. I hope they do fit. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Just need to get to it. Oh, it's all loose. Yeah, took one screw out. Yeah. That one's out. Right. Take the top one off. Camera keeps falling down, sorry about that. I'm sure Stephen Jackson from another YouTube channel might like this video. Oh, tell me, fed up with this camera keeps falling off. Oh, this is hard. Sorry. Oh no, kid. Sorry I'm a bit slow on this. Typical, this is. Sometimes things are difficult. I do all that. Well, let's get this. This is difficult. Come on. Sorry. Finally. Yep, they're all out. All the switches are out. Right, let's put the camera where it was. So there it is. Now I've got all that out. All of it out the control. All of it out of the control barrel. I think there's one thing that needs to come out still. Oh, I could have kept that in. Could have just took this out. Bit dirty this is. I think it'll come out easily. No, there's no water in it. Fingers crossed, I hope not. Okay. I think this one can heat as well. Oh yeah. Some more goodies under there. Yeah, something in there. Try and take this thing out. Without listening. Rubbish. Oh. Oh, this is rubbish. Might as well just disconnect it with a pair of scissors. If I could find some. Should have some somewhere. Oh, sorry. Oh, found them. Then disconnect it. Thank God we got this out. Just crumbling. That's left with me to play with. Oh, I think we need to do a bit more maintenance on this one. Try and scrape all this rubbish off of it. This is rubbish. Oh, this, yeah, this ain't good. This is all turning into dust. I'm scraping this into a bin. Could do. Don't think anyone. Oh. Could do some masking tape on it. I'll be back in a few seconds. Right, I'm back now. Got some tape here. Just need to unroll some of it out because some of it's no good. And brush all this dust off of here. Maybe this ain't asbestos, but I'm sure it's not. Huh. It's alright. I want to move. Rather than on this silly phone, try and get all this. Oh, this is all rubbish. Oh, this is a little bit. I think we should put some tape on it now. There it is. Cut it off. Put some on underneath. And then this is, yeah. I'm gonna have to be careful. Ah, put one more layer on it. Right. Oh. Well, that should do it now. Tape on the bottom. Take the bottom of this. It'll be a bit lower now. Doesn't look much like a... It looks more like a fridge now. Now it's got no bottom off one, but it's not obviously not a fridge anymore. We're back in the set, just for the washing hand. Yeah, I'm back now. Let's try and put the lock on. There it is. Super glue! There it is. Hope it's going to be enough. And there's the padlock there. Forgot to take the price labels off them. And there's the lock itself there. Waterproof this padlock is. Going to take it off its... Works, yeah. Hope this super is not going to be enough for it. Bingo. Some screws in here. Don't think I'll wear them in these because I'm using super glue. Super glue! Should change the Superman roots to, instead of saying Superman, should say super glue. Oh, I think it needs to change it. Oh. Very odd to take this tape off. Finally, we got it off. Right. Sorry I let this video get boring a bit, but just look for a pen to mark it out. Got some pens here, even though they're just for camera for CDs. Use it to mark it out. Just looking for another place to pull it. Not that round. Drop one on the floor. And let's draw. Super glide. What? Oh, I'm doing a video at the moment. Oh, I'm doing something.
What are you doing?
Trying to put the lock on top of here. I'm using this as a cupboard, I told you.
Right. I'm sure you've got a...
Yeah.
Yeah, you bought it.
Yeah, but to borrow it if you like. That was my stepdad there. Let's continue with this. DIY. Right, I think we should put some super glue on it now. Try it. This is the easiest way to DIY. Ah, need to punch through an hole in it. Yep. It's Get the fridge door open. Leave it slightly open. Not sure if this is going to stick or not. Ah! I knew it. Let's go a bit more on it. That should do. Let's leave it for a bit. Let's leave it for a bit and then I'll come back. I'm back now. I put the lock on while I was waiting for this to dry because I got a bit impatient. Sorry I didn't film it because I was a bit impatient. But it's on now. I hope it don't come off. Left it to dry. Now I've got a padlock here. Right, this is the fridge now. Right, let's take this apart so it could do a good clean. turn it around. 2 screws fell out. Turn it around. Get the fan off. The fan could do with a really good clean. To be honest. It's absolutely filthy, the fan does. The fan is absolutely filthy. I wonder if it will still power up from the mains. Yeah, the fan's out. I knew that. It fell on the floor. And here it is, the circuit board. Yeah, and the filthy fan. Where did the scissors go? Oh, great. And there it is. Did I see sparking then? One new. Oh yeah. Mm. Got that out. Alright. Still don't know where the scissors are. Alright, I think we're about done now. Right, have you enjoyed that video, everyone? Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Take care and have a good day.